Okay, now this is the call. A baby heads. BB heads. I go first and hopefully I don't die. I crash. This is pink purple bike. Hopefully no high care. That's the tree, that's shaded tree. Beautiful to go down here. It's so washy. And it's a lot of rocky too. There you go. Perfect. I like it. And you need to pedal for a while. Pedaling for a while. Then you're on the top again. And there, this is a high speed. Again, and you need to relax there. The big rat there. Woohoo! And you see the big rat. And there's a turn. Be careful there. High heat there. And there's a rock. Whoop! Whoop! And my knee is getting cramped now. Whoop! Sometimes this rock is sharp and it will hit you hard, and you hack up that so you get your more speed. See that? And turn. Woo! Before I used to go around that that wood section. Now I jump it. This is the heads now. Whoop. And that's the big rat. As you can see, they throw me. Woo. But I can manage because I ate 2 eggs a while ago and 1 coffee with a coffee mate of vanilla. Thanks to my preno, my formula. It's so powerful. Even though it's need to be change the pads again. So calling my sponsor, new brake pads is better on it. And there are the parking lot, and there are the savage rocky heads. And you see that? Oh my God! I hit that! I hit it! And the rock right there. Woo! He threw me. Woo! Now it's the end of those rocky shit and more rocky portion. So you can see I don't die there. Good bikes, good jacks, and good preno. You're okay. You can ride tomorrow again. This is Claudio Pete from Pink Purple Bike. I'm out for today. Maybe bedridden.